Hello everyone. In this video we will see how we can check our competitors Facebook ads. So just search for Facebook ads library and click on the first option. After this, just choose the ad category and choose the location. And for example, if I want to know about the Facebook ad of Zomato, just choose Zomato. Okay, so there are total 75 results, and here is the about a section for Zomato, that you can see the merge with one pages. Page name has changed 2 times. Page is created on 1st November 2010. And let's go on the ad section. So Facebook Zomato is running their ads in May 2023. Okay, so these are the exact date, 2 May 2023. Platform is Facebook. This ad is running on Facebook and Instagram. And these are the creatives. You can see this ad is in multiple versions. This ad is only running on Instagram. These are the description. These are the call to action they are using. This ad is running on Audience Network as well. This ad is running on the Messenger. So you can check all the 27 results from the Facebook ads library. You can check all the ads that Zomato is running right now. Now after, you can choose a filter. Now for example, if you want to go for only for images, for example, if you only want to check the Facebook platform, okay, and you can select the date, click on apply. So here you will see only ads that are run by Zomato, and these are specifically including assets like images. For example, if you want to change the media, yeah, so if I want to see ads that are only running on platform Facebook, so we can filter it out from here. Okay, and if you want to check the details of a specific ad, click on see ad detail. So here you can see the details. Now click on see ads. You will be directed to back to this same page. So this is how you can track your competitors Facebook ad or Instagram ad. So this is all for now. Thanks for watching, and if you have any doubts or question, you can ask in the comment section.